This is another one of the newer additions to the collection. This is a Mauthe Bim-Bam bell striking mantle clock. Interesting little clock. Towards the end of Mauthe's existence as a clock company, here's what it sounds like. Very interesting little movement here, covered on the back, but you can see the bells. And there you have it. This one still needs a little more work as well. I need to redo the strike spring, main spring. It keeps slipping, so it doesn't go the full 8 days. Also very interesting on this movement, the sides are flipped. This side is the time side, this side is the strike side, whereas normally the strike would be on this side and the time would be on this side. So kind of interesting here, an interesting philosophy that Mauthe went with here. But yeah, that's all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe.